So, ano na, last day. Last day and last night. So, we're gonna go for a short donkey hottie run. For the last shopping. Kung meron pang nakalimutan. Or last minute shopping. Uy! Tatawid na kayo? Wait na lang. So, what are you videoing?
The city.
Ayan, yan yung donkey. And then this is the Dotonbori River. Ano ang pangalan dito? Dotonbori River. Yeah. Then, magka-cross siya hanggang dun sa dulo. Meron pa isang donkey doon, yung may very sweet. Oh! Guys, mukhang masarap to. Hershey's banana. Ito. Okay. Mochi. And then, ang daming matcha products. Sasama ni Raizo sa taas. Sige, let's try this. Yes. They went up.
Ito yung mga special Expo 2025 pasalubong.
Oo. Ito, mga masarap to. Go, taas, taas. Ano na mga nabili mo? Kumuha na lang ako para itry. Since ano to, Limited Expo 2025 souvenir. So, nandito na sa third floor ang mga toys. Nandito sila Raizo and si Raquel. What's that, Raquel?
Oh, it's triplet. Yeah, triplets. And then
Baby? Sylvania?
how?
I think.
At first, you wanted a shark. Then
Look, there's a Tamagotchi Expo.
same price.
Can swim.
Ano yan? Sylvanian? Ay, oo,
Rabbit can
Sylvanian.
swim.
They can swim, so you can put water in it.
Yes.
Ha!
But we will do
Aba,
it
tagulan.
in Cebu.
Tapos ito, meron pang necklight.
so that when you walk in the dark, you won't trip.
Do you need it?
No.
Dami nilang battery dito. Oh.
One.
Hi guys, so dito na lang kami kumain sa kwarto. Bumili na lang kami sa grocery. Kami nagtakoyaki lang kami ni Ria and then may microwave sa baba sa ground floor ng hotel. And then yan, bumili na lang ng drinks, sashimi, sushi, and then katsudon. Patapos na rin. So it was a good day. Our last day here in Osaka. We did Cup Noodle Museum and then last minute shopping. And then umulan konti, no? Maganda yung Cup Noodle Museum. Highly recommended.
Especially if you have kids.
Especially if you have kids. Enjoy siya.
Oh, sumulak na, sumulak.
Yan. Eating na si Raquel. Okay. Tomorrow, ligpit na. Ligpit na ng mga gamit. And then, uwi na. Ayan, mga gamit magugulo pa. And then, tomorrow, uwi na. Well, our flight is 3 o'clock. So, 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock p.m.
Then there's a typhoon
And then,
forecasted.
Saan? Typhoon forecast saan?
Northern Philippines.
Sa Northern Philippines. So, makulimlim siguro. Baka turbulence. Hi, guys! So, it's our last day here in Japan. Magla-lunch na kami. We're having lunch right now in Yoshinoya. Yeah. So, when you order in Yoshinoya, you have to order via the tablet there. And then, yan. So, iaakit na nila dito sa counter. So, Raquel is eating. What are you eating?
Yung Yoshinoya nila dito maayos. Compared sa the one that
Pilipinas.
opened in Cebu before, sa Yoshinoya, parang NFA rice ang ginamit.
So, we're eating unagi.
Ito, nadapa ako nahulog yung aking food.
Hi, it's a rainy day here in Osaka. Last day ikot-ikot.
And it's raining.
We're just passing the time kasi yung pick up namin to the airport is 2 p.m. pa. It's only 12:10. Ah, dami pa rin turista kahit na maulan.
Iba, wala.
Iba nagpapaulan na lang. Wanna go? Sige, you go.
Go?
There. So, pasok daw muna sila dito. Ay, galing, no? Wow, it's a new technology. Pahid-pahid ang umbrella para hindi tutulo. Imbis na yung plastic, nasayang sa yung garbage. Ito na lang. That's nice. Okay. Are they even allowed
What?
to do?
Own money nila.
I think better pa gacha kaysa ito. Kasi ito may chance ka pa na hindi makakuha. At least yung gacha may makukuha ka. Gacha na lang.